It's time for the big game, so kick off your tailgate with these winning recipes. Starting off with the most insane of game day dishes, this 10-pound tailgate egg roll. Chefs Addison and Corey stuffed all the football foods into a giant egg roll and deep fried it. It's got sliders, chips, queso, mozzarella sticks, everything you could ever want from the big game. Isn't that just insane? Next up is this incredible 100-yard football field of dips. Combine all your favorite dips like guacamole, hummus, salsa, buffalo chicken dip, and more. Put together this fun snack stadium with all kinds of chips, pretzels, or veggies. The possibilities are endless, so comment below what you'd use for your game day spread. Whether you're cooking for a crowd on game day or for a hungry family on the weekend, these savory sweet game day breakfast sliders are the answer. Cut an entire package of soft Hawaiian bread rolls in half and place the bottom half in a baking dish and top with double layers of provolone cheese, scrambled eggs, and deli ham. Cover with the tops of the buns and then spread on a mixture of butter, brown sugar, and mustard. Bake until golden and melty. Our next recipe for the big game is super nachos. These are definitely super nachos with layers of ground beef, refried beans, cheese, olives, sour cream, and jalapenos. This makes a huge meal-sized tray of nachos with lots of good stuff. End your game day party on a sweet note with this touchdown in dessert form. Smart Cookie Elise brings the energy with this festive football cake. Layers of yellow cake are painted with buttercream grass and topped with a scrumptious football. How cute! Try this mashup of tailgate classics, buffalo chicken mac and cheese. You get the best of both worlds with spicy buffalo chicken and rich and creamy mac and cheese. Is there even a better combination out there? Check out Manda's 7-layer taco dip. It's got refried beans, a zesty mixture of cream cheese, sour cream, and taco seasoning, then salsa, cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, and avocados, and finally jalapeno slices. This flamin' hot Cheetos cheese ball is our next recipe. This super spicy cheese ball is great for your big game party or just a fun get together any time of the year. Serve with crackers, corn chips, or raw veggies to really turn up the heat. Mini meatloaves are another fun thing to make for your family to eat during the big game. This recipe is quick and easy. The ketchup and brown sugar on the top gives these meatloaves a tangy flavor, and you can substitute ground beef for ground turkey. For a classic appetizer favorite, turn to these mouth-watering stuffed mushrooms. Cream cheese, parmesan, garlic, and seasonings make up the rich, creamy, and delicious filling. Just stuff your mushroom caps with your tasty filling and pop them in the oven until they're piping hot. With this football field cake, you can turn your favorite flavor of sheet cake into a delicious dessert full of team spirit. The two teams can be different colors or flavors of graham cracker animals or gummy bears. This cake will be a big hit for any football fan and at all of your football watching parties. Next up is baked ham and cheese party sandwiches. Mini rolls stuffed with deli ham and melted Swiss cheese are baked with a savory sauce drizzled on top. These party sandwiches are a great option for even the pickiest of eaters. We had to include some wings, so check out these easy lemon pepper chicken wings. Whip up a batch of these wings at home instead of ordering out for a budget-friendly and delicious way to celebrate the big game. You've got to have some guacamole at your game day get-together. This easy recipe is just avocado, onion, tomato, lime juice, salt, and some other seasonings. You can mash up your avocado as smooth or chunky as you like for a guac that sure won't be around for long. Let's finish things off with another absolute classic game day dip, cheesy buffalo chicken dip. Shredded chicken, cream cheese, hot sauce, and lots of melted cheese create a wonderful buffalo wing flavor on a chip or with veggie sticks. No tailgate is complete without this staple snack, so make sure to include it in your recipe book anytime you're cheering on the team. All the links to these recipes and more are in the description below, so check them out and don't forget to subscribe. Comment below what you're cooking up for the big game, and thanks for watching!